What 505k buys you in downtown Austin, Texas. Hey y'all, I'm Realtor Bibi, your Austin real estate expert. Today, I'm showing you what $505,000 can buy you right here in downtown Austin in 2025. And trust me, this high-rise condo is a game changer. Hi, welcome to VESPER, a brand new luxury development just steps from Lady Bird Lake and Rainey Street. With prices starting at the low 500k, this building blends upscale living, prime location, and unmatched amenities. Minutes from the best dining, nightlife, and trails. Walkable to tech offices, great for professionals. Rising property. Values, large major investment potential. Let's step inside this one-bedroom. One-bath unit listed at $505k. Features include floor-to-ceiling windows, sleek modern finishes, open-concept living dining quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, private balcony with skyline views. The bathroom features spa-inspired finishes and a deep soaking tub, perfect after a long day in the city. Living at VESPER comes with next-level amenities, including rooftop pool and lounge, fitness and yoga studio co-working spaces, pet-friendly spaces, 24-hour concierge service. Let's talk numbers. At $505k, here's a rough monthly breakdown. Mortgage, W 5% down, $3,200, $3,600 month HOA fees. $400, $500 builder incentives may reduce closing costs or buy down your rate. If you're a first-time buyer or relocating to Austin, this is a great opportunity to live in one of the city's hottest spots without the million-dollar price tag. So, is VESPER your new downtown home? I'd love to help you explore your options. Contact me at realtorbibi.com or DM me on Instagram, @realtorbibi. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone dreaming of living in downtown Austin. Watch next. How to buy a new home in Austin for under $400k. Subscribe for weekly tours and buyer tips. Realtor Bibi, Austin, Texas.